Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely superb KTM 690 SMCR. Here we have a KTM SMCR 690 Supermoto. This is a 2022 bike on a 22 plate with just 4,534 miles, one owner from new and a full service history. This bike's in great condition. It comes with the graphics kit, as you can see, which is why it's black and not orange. It's quite a cool kit that. We've seen this on a couple of bikes, a couple of KTMs, and it always looks fantastic. Got a tail tidy there as well. There's a slight mark on the I guess it's the fuel tank there. I guess that's from someone's boot by the looks of it. It's not really any other telltales. And that sticker kit is all in good condition, as you can see. The engine casings there, all in good condition. As I said, no real telltales there that the bike's been in any kind of incident. Swinging arm, all in excellent condition, as is that rear disc. The rear wheel, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes, or scratches on there. That's all in good condition as well. And the rear tyre, well, that looks to be a fairly new item. It's even got the hairy bits on it still. So there's the rest of the back of the bike there, as you can see. No rips or tears in the seat. A minor graze on the handguard. That is, after all, what it's for. Nothing on the bar end itself, though, and all the bodywork there in good order. You've got the fork protectors there as well. Again, they've got that sticker kit on, which is a genuine KTM sticker kit. And the front wheel, that's all in good condition. No tarnishing on the spokes and no dings, dents, scuff, scrapes or scratches. The front of the bike, again, with that sticker kit, just covering up the original orange bodywork there. That's all in good order as well. And the front tyre, again, plenty of life left in that one. The left-hand side of the bike, that's in good condition as well. No scuffs on this side, and that's all good there. Obviously, the lever's protected by those guards. There's all your bodywork there on this left-hand side, and again, that's all fantastic as well. Standard exhaust, which again, good condition, no damage on there either. All your levers, pegs, chain sprockets, all in great order as well. And the rear wheel on this side, again, fantastic condition. Your rear shock just in there, and that's all clean as well. There's no corrosion to speak of on the bike at all. You get anti-lock brakes, of course, bit of traction control, which is obviously switchable on this model. WP Apex suspension, and there's the top of the bike there, and as I said, no rips or tears. In the seat, you've got the anodised brace there, and also the anodised master cylinder cover. These bikes massively popular, particularly as we go into the sort of back half of the year, make fantastic commuter bikes. So if you just want to get out on the bike when the weather's not so fantastic, then you really can't beat a Supermoto. And this KTM SMCR is absolutely superb. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this superb KTM, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.